Okay, now class, I'm just going to start with the next one. See, in the class I have told you guys that whenever we expand a bracket, like for instance over here, a plus b whole power is 0. So when I will expand it, I will have one term. A plus b whole power 1. So when I will expand it, I will have two terms. A plus b whole square. So I will have three terms. It means whenever I am going to do any expansion of a bracket with some whole power, then the number of terms in the expansion is always n plus 1. If whole power is 16, the number of terms after expansion which I am going to get will be 17. If I am going to have n equals to 18, the number of expansion will be 19. Okay, so this thing you have to remember. Now over here, when I was solving this question, I have told you that we are going to have term number also. So the previous one we have directly got term number, and from there we have got the value of r. But now we have got another thing. They will be giving us middle term. They will not tell us what is the term number, and instead they will be directly giving us okay, find the middle term. So first thing I have to find what is the term number of middle term, and then I will be solving it. So there are two type of question for middle term. One is if whole power is even, the whole power which is given to us is even, then middle term number will be n plus 2 upon 2 th term, and if whole power is odd, then I will use this formula. Middle term number will be n plus 1 upon 2th term plus comma n plus 3 over 2th term. This will give us middle term number. But in your book, in your papers, mostly they give us whole power in even when they are going to tell us to find the middle term. Like, see, this is question number 6D. Whole power is given to you as 12, and then over here, see, they have asked for middle term, this one, and whole power you can see is given to us as power 10. This is 14.1 and this is 14.2 I am talking about. So whenever they are going to ask for middle term, which is over here, so they are mostly going to, very rarely they are going to give you with odd power. Mostly they always give us with even power. They tells us to find the middle term. Okay, so in order to find the middle term in any expansion, I need to have the term number first. So I have written the question over here, x plus 1 over 2x square whole power 12, and I have to find middle term. How will I start? My middle term number will be n plus 2 over 2th term. So what is my n over here? You can see n is 12. So 12 plus 2 over 2th term. So it means 12 plus 2, 14. So it means I have to find the 7th term. The 7th term in this expansion will be the middle term. If anyone want to check, you can expand the whole thing and then you can see okay, which term is coming in the middle. The middle term will be coming as 7th one. So now I have got my term number 7. T7 means R will be 6. R will be 6. So I am applying my general term formula. T R plus 1 equals to n. What was the n? N was 12. 12C6 into A. A is x. Formula is n minus r into B. What is B? 1 over 2x square. So 1 over 2x square whole power 6. BR is the thing. So this I have written. Now I am going to simplify it. Okay. When I am going to simplify this one, I am going to use my calculator. Okay. So first of all 12C6. So 12C6 and the answer is coming 924. Multiply by, when I will expand this part, which you can see over here, this one, when I am going to expand this part, okay, so x power 6 will be there into this 6 will be applied on 1 over 2 power 6 x power 12. Okay, simplifying it again, 9 to the power 4 divided by 2 power 6. So 924 divided by 2 power 6 and the answer is coming 231 over 16. Multiply by, x power 6 is over here, x power 12 is over here, same basis being divided, power will be subtracted and I will have 1 over x power 6. So my simplified answer will be 231 over 16 x power 6, the seventh term, middle term which was needed.